In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable group chat invites on Instagram and fix it if the option isn't working. If someone is trying to add you to a group chat on Instagram and it's not going through, there are a couple of settings you should check first. In most cases, this happens because message control options are limiting who can add you to groups, or the app just needs a quick refresh. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can make sure everything is set correctly. Start by opening Instagram on your phone. Once the app is open, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page where you can access all of your personal settings. From your profile, tap the menu icon in the top corner. This opens the main menu where Instagram keeps account tools, preferences, and privacy settings. In that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find the controls related to messages, requests, and group permissions. Next, scroll until you find Messages and Story Replies, then tap on Message Controls. This section is important because it decides how other people can contact you, where their messages go, and whether they're allowed to interact with you in certain ways, including group conversations. Once you're in Message Controls, look for the setting related to group chats, sometimes shown as Allow Others to Add You to Groups. Make sure this option is enabled. If it's turned off, people may not be able to include you in group chats, even if they follow you or have messaged you before. Turning this on allows Instagram to accept those group additions normally. After confirming that setting, the next thing to do is clear the app cache and then restart Instagram. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary data that may be causing the app to behave incorrectly or fail to update your settings properly. Once the cache has been cleared, fully close the app and open it again. Restarting gives Instagram a fresh start and helps the changes take effect. After you reopen the app, you can test the feature again and see if group chat invites are now working as expected. If the setting was already enabled, clearing the cache and restarting often helps resolve minor glitches. That's all you need to do. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to receive or join Instagram group chats without any issue.